One way to access out your Blogger, that is your Blogger dashboard, is by going on to blogger.com right here. Another way is to access it through a browser plugin from especially for quick access. So for that, you need to go around and install the browser plugin. And to do that, you need to go to chrome.google.com. So as long as you have Chromium-based browsers, then this can be done. You can install the extension. So over here, I'm going to go around and type in Blogger for browser right here, just like this. Once you do that, you got the extension right here. So you can go around and add this to Chrome and click on Add Extension. Once you do that, you can see that the Blogger for browser plugin is here. You can go around and pin it out and then access that out. So as you click on that, you can see that the Blogger actually shows up as a separate window now right here. So you can click this anytime and then access your Blogger right here, just like this. So you don't have to keep on going to the site anytime. All this does is add in a shortcut that separately lets you access out Blogger anytime. This is useful if you keep on blogging a lot. And that is how you can install and use Blogger for browser plugin inside of Chromium-based browsers. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.